broski. Hello guys, welcome back to another edition of Buy or Buy. I'm Erkin, this is the life of a broski. So today I'm going to be reviewing one of my favourite Air Maxes of all time. Now I didn't review them when I first got them, so I thought why not do a long-term review just to see how well they lasted, how they feel 8 months on, and most importantly if I would buy them still 8 months later. Now without further ado, the Air Max 270s ladies and germs. I've got this rare colourway. Look at these bad boys. They are a bit dirty, of course, because I have been wearing them quite a bit. Pros of this sneaker: very comfortable, very true to size. It's like a sock-like feature on the fit with the tongue and the ankle support, very cushioned as well. Very breathable. I've always liked the air bubble at the back. This supported panel at the back where the Air Max is. Underneath is very nice too. Very unique as an Air Max 270. Colour in here. Panels on the 270 are as unique as they come. 270 here, Nike tick here, little Nike tick there, tick here, Air 270 there, and of course Air at the back, 270 there. Even though I've been wearing them for 8 months strong, I will try these on just so you know what they look like on foot, if you think they'd suit you or not. So I'll see you in a tick.
Perfect.
So guys, there you have it. Tried these on. How do they look on foot? Let me know down below. And I'm going to get into the buy or buy segment. Pros of this sneaker, I've spoke about most of them. Very comfortable, true to size. They look stylish, unique, and they just feel so good on the foot. But one of the biggest things, in fact one of the only things I did find wrong with this sneaker, as you probably could tell when I tried these on, RIP to the air bubble. Look at this. It's only the right one. I don't know if I stepped on something or if it was just a defect when it comes to the manufacturing of this sneaker. And sometimes when I step on it, it does collapse. But it's not too bad. They're still wearable, very comfortable still. I just have to be a bit more mindful when it comes to wearing these trainers out and about. So I'm still gonna say it's a buy 8 months later. I know the air bubble is dead and gone, but you know what? Especially this colorway, very rare, unique color, and the sneaker itself, I just love these. You have to be mindful what you're wearing though. You will look like a lemon if you wear boot cuts or bottoms that aren't tapered and skinny at the bottom. So just be mindful of what you wear with them in terms of your trousers or joggers. But anyways guys, that's my verdict on this beautiful specimen of an Air Max. Let me know down below whether these are indeed a buy or a buy. If you've already copped a pair, what color you've got, or if you're waiting on another Air Max. So anyways guys, that's enough from me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course broskies, until the next video, take care.